Maybe we could eat this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it has.
Extra, what's pepper? Is that red? Yeah, pepper. Thank you. Really nice. This Mama Sarah. We rent a house in her. We have, what's your name again?
Unsa day imongan daw te?
Akong adlaw,
Imongan.
Jubilin.
Jubileen is helping us pick. This is the best Airbnb experience I've ever had. I mean, who doesn't? This Sarah, very nice person.
Usahay ra sa dere.
Ha?
Usahay ra sa lang Ma'am Sarah dere.
Kanang masabado.
Why do they call her Mama Sarah?
Mom.
Mura siya nga.
Why do they call her mom? Oh, mom.
Mom.
Oh, I thought it said mom.
Ma'am in
Ma'am,
English,
ma'am,
yeah.
okay.
Nagsundo siya na mo diri kada Sabado ra.
Ah.
Kung naay bisita,
Mo siya dere kada Sabado.
kung naay bisita mo ari siya. Diri man siya pagkagahapon.
Nainding ko andre gahapon nigbo.
Siya ra ang nag-andam.
So yes, so Mom Sarah will be here every Saturday to give them salary.
Oh,
So their
that's a nice
salary is
job.
every Saturday.
That's a nice job. It's a nice job. And do you live near here?
Dere ra kadapit gapo yo te.
Diya ay sa atbang.
Yep, there.
Diya sa kalsada dahil entrance diri.
I want to live here. I live in the U.S., but I don't want to go back. Grace.
Kuan daw. Taga US siya pero ganan siya diri sa
Okay.
puyo. Kaya na siya di kay peaceful. Di na siya ganan mabalik tag US niya
Yeah.
kay made man siya mabalik kay naman siya trabaho dito.
Is there anything else for sale? Do you know?
Napa kay balik.
Mangutanas ako din sa gisaligan kay